Hey folks, this is Seaton from wildrose911.com. We have Shawn and his dad Victor here. Shawn was recently in an accident in his Crown Victoria police Interceptor, and he can tell you all about it. What happened, Shawn?
So I was on my way to work. I work at a medical center, and I take the freeway every day. And I was in the fast lane, and the freeway came to a stop, and so I came to a stop. And there was a distracted driver behind me. He was driving a truck, and he never touched his brakes. So he hit me doing freeway speed. Ooh. While I was stopped.
Wow.
And
that's a bad accident.
It was one of those accidents where you might see an accident like that and think, ooh, that looks bad, but you never picture yourself being in an accident like that. It was one of those accidents. So I never imagined that it would actually happen to me, but it did. And he hit me so hard that I ended up multiple lanes to the right, and when I came to rest, I could look out my passenger side window and I saw all the lanes of traffic. And he hit me so hard that it knocked a crown off of my tooth, because he hit me at freeway speed. And I think that had it not been for the Crown Vic, it may have killed me.
Wow.
So, yeah.
So you and your dad have just purchased another Crown Vic, because
yes.
Obviously, in your opinion, it probably saved your life.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, and you wouldn't want to be in any other car by the sounds of things, but
yeah.
But one that's a big, strong, heavy-duty car.
Yes, definitely.
Well, this is a real eye-opener for young folk out there, because Shawn and his dad, very smart people, were in the right car at the right time. If you've got a young one looking at driving, or you're on the freeway a lot, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. You know, a young guy that was in a wreck, wasn't his fault, hit by a truck at freeway speed, basically walked away from the accident because he was in a big, strong Crown Victoria Interceptor. And they have a crash test of 75 mile an hour. That's why law enforcement uses them too. So you're happy, Victor, that Shawn's back in a police Crown Victoria Interceptor again?
Yes, I am. I worry about him on the freeways when he's driving something else. And so we got a new one, almost like the old one, but a few years newer. One interesting thing is that the highway patrol said that first of all, the guy driving the truck said he was going 70. The highway patrol said he was going at over 60 when he hit Shawn, and he never touched his brakes. So it destroyed the car, but it did not destroy Shawn, and that's what we're hoping for.
Well, that's all that matters at the end of the day, because that's why we have insurance to replace the car. It's a little hard to replace Shawn.
Yes.
So I'm very, very happy that we sell these vehicles. And again, you know, word to the wise, if you have young people, you want to keep them safe, this is the strongest car you can buy for them. And you just heard a testimonial from a young person that was in a wreck that wasn't his fault at all, got hit freeway speed by a truck, which is the worst possible accident you could have, and walked away from it with some concussion and a couple of teeth missing. You know, the impact was so hard. Good news, people, if you can, get your young people into these Crown Victoria cars, contact us. My name is Seaton, I'm the owner, wildrose911.com, and we'll do our very best to get your young ones into good, strong, safe cars. Have a nice day.